Yo, what's going on, guys? New day. Yes, I didn't finish the video from yesterday. I shaved too, you can tell. But the neon's running right now. I think I need a new alternator, oil pressure sensor coming in, new turbo. I actually have the turbo, put everything together. But right now we're dealing with the $400 E36, getting straight to the point because of pipe right now. It's gonna snatch the whole front end off and then see where we go from there. So I don't know if E36s are like this, but this shit got like a little screw right there. Yeah, so that's all. That was easy. Let's check this side. This side is already out. Next is the rad support and yeah, take the headlights out. Those are 8s. Those headlights broke, so yeah, so my bad. I'm just gonna snatch the front end off and then get back to the video because I'm hype right now. Like, I'm actually working on this shit.
The baggage, I hate rakes on rakes. Gotta keep the pump on me, I might have a asthma attack. I'm a crip nigga, gotta put my set on the map. Keep a double cup, gotta pull fours on fours. Water on me, I could pull a jet ski out. Real nigga behind bar, they had to let me out. Now 5 bad bitches wanna sex me down. 100 bitches, I'm at the west and we kick back. The rich and Millie store where my wrist at. 16 had 100 racks, I did that. Got killers on gold, knock his lead back. Gotta keep blue faces in the middle console. Riding rich, y'all ain't known to poppin' rubber bands. I remember I was sitting in the Yajax with a dollar bill, then I turned it to 100.
As you could tell, I'm busted a knuckle. But yeah, so basically got everything up. I think next is this damn cable. I'm gonna find out how to get this cable and then AC, but AC I'm just gonna go like this. Or I'm gonna break it. Alright, so we got the whole nose off. Damn, this belt got on there. But so basically I'm gonna need, oh, damn, I shouldn't have yanked it like that, but fuck it. Yeah, so basically I'm just gonna need mad little shit. So I think I'm done for today as far as like pulling shit off because I don't really want to go too far and not know where I'm supposed to go. That side was hit. Frame rail looks kinda straight, does it? Yeah, I hope it does. Yeah, so let's see. That's it as far as the E36 for today, cause yeah. Yo, what's going on? Benjamin's Garage here, and I'm getting straight to the point with you guys. So today we have the big boy. And if you don't know what this is a 4-bolt to a V-band 3-inch adapter. So basically it goes on the high side of the turbo, boom, slap on, V-band on, boom, that's it. So, blah, let's get to it. So basically what this piece is, it just sits on top of the exhaust. And it turns the 4-bolt into a V-band. eBay sells this. It's kind of solid, so you would put a gasket in between it and hope it lines up. But I gotta find bolts that go around. That's the only thing they don't supply you with, which I'm tight because I thought they did, but they didn't. So turns the 4-bolt to a V-band. So hopefully this 3-inch fits mine. So we'll see right now. All right, it's the same day, but this is the power of editing. I made it look like it's all, but that's the turbo that I put together. Put the V-band on it, boom. Vert right there. So now we gotta take these off, and these look like some monkey ass bolts. So we gonna see what we gotta do, man. You already know the vibes. Let me see, I got a 13 right here. If we're lucky, it's a 13. If not, we're still lucky, cause yeah, it might be a 14, so yeah. All right, so these are 14s. Well, this, yeah, I don't know why they double these bolts like this, but so far I've been lucky. That's kind of not good because that means something's gonna break, but I'm already preparing myself for that. So 14s, you know the vibes. Let's get it going. There's 14s. I took one off already. So basically, I got it off. I just got to cut this line off. I'm going to go to the parts store and get another one. And then the turbo's out. The V-band looks kind of cooked. I guess I'll change that future. And then somehow, some way, I got to get down there. Like if you follow, like right there, literally right here, this line. I have to get a flathead down there and take that whole line off and then put the new one on. So I'm gonna cut this off. We're gonna go to the parts store and then we're gonna deal with that in a few. So far so good. So far so good. I'm out of breath like shit. So basically we got that out. I don't know if the new turbo set up different, but yeah. This turbo was cooked. Cooked, boy. And not really too much shaft play, but turbo was definitely cooked. So now what we gonna do is we gonna go to the parts store, find the holes. Look at this dumbass. Whoever the fuck put this turbo. Look where they put the bolt at. People to me has, bro, I swear. So we gonna see what we need over here. So that's what we gonna swap, and do that. So we at the parts store, and about to pay for it. All right, so the end of the day, I'm gonna show you what I got done. Took the turbo off. I was playing around with it cause put it right here. Hello. I was playing around with it and put it right here. So you know. Just playing around. I mean, eventually it's gonna get boosted, but yeah. So basically, let me show you again. My bad. Basically, what I got accomplished was took the old turbo out. That's the one over there. This is the new one. Shouldn't be bending that line like that, but fuck it. Only problem I have is that this V-band spacer is mad wide, so I don't know. We'll see. But basically. Tomorrow I'm just gonna plug it in because it's losing daytime and I'm not in the garage, so I can't close the garage or anything. I don't even want to really make too much noise. That's all the scrap from the front end of the BMW. As you can see, it's a lot. So, yeah, that turbo sits kind of nice on it. I'm not gonna lie to you. But yeah, so basically that's it for today. The video is gonna be continued tomorrow, so I'm just letting you guys know, keeping you on the loop, just to add more content to the video, you know. Yeah, let's get it on tomorrow. What's going on, guys? It's the next morning. I'm gonna take this to exhaust shop because this piece right here makes it like that's too much of a gap. So what I gotta do is cut this. I feel like I just gotta cut like that much amount off. I don't know specifically, but the closer the better in actuality, really, because this is causing the exhaust to hit the alternator. I had to disconnect the battery yesterday, so yeah, we gonna deal with that real quick. Hopefully they don't head crack. I just want to get it done, man. I swear. So we in the exhaust shop right now, and it's looking kind of look at my broads. But yeah, we in the exhaust shop right now. I guess my Spanish is bad. They told me to pull right here, but my turbo's back there. They wanted me to they wanted me to like pull the car in. I guess to get out the way, but I mean, I'm chilling right now, so the car's off. We're just gonna wait for the guy to get. He said like 20 minutes. So, I mean, I'll wait. Ain't shit. Hopefully they don't head crack me because I've been on my saving shit, man. Been on my saving shit, and yeah, basically we just waiting 20 minutes, and then we can get back to the video. You know the vibes. Get back to you guys on that. You know the vibes there.
Is this for people that just said my fucking overtime this or shit? Yeah.
Oh, you mean sit right here?
Yeah.
I want to see how it would look in the car. I still got your cushions in the crib. I'll see how that look. So today is a new day. Had a confrontation with one of the people yesterday, but we ain't gonna speak on that. So boom, we got it welded. Looks kind of crooked though, that's the thing. Fuck it though. Hopefully that doesn't affect us. We got the throb bearing that came in the mail. And we have the clips for the transmission, because my shit don't, feel me? These shits. Those for the transmission. So it's gonna be the same day, but different video. So once I put the turbo in, I'm gonna end the video there for that video, so I have more content for you guys. And then once I take the transmission off and do the throwout bearing, that's another video. So content crazy, you know the vibes, guys, you know the vibes. Alright, so I had to update y'all real quick before I really went any further. So I put the clamp on. I don't like the way that shit sits, but fuck it. I already know it's gonna blow off, so I'm just mentally preparing myself for that. All I have to do left is bolt the Vband on and the oil drain. So I'm gonna unplug the, oh yeah, I could plug this in now. The turbo. Plug this in. Vacuum line. Plug a vacuum line in. Plug the vacuum line in. That's in. Next, all I gotta do is just put that on and Vband. So once we do that, we done. I'm gonna start the car, see how it's going. Leave it running for a little. Turn it off. I think I might just do the shit tomorrow. The transmission side tomorrow. Yeah, I might just do that tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Other than that, we should be good. So now we got everything buttoned up. I'm gonna unplug the coil pack so that I could thing there. Plug the coil pack. I gotta get a flathead for that. If you unplug the coil pack, you just build pressure in the thing there. Build pressure in the car. So, yeah, the battery's disconnected. I forgot. Just build oil pressure right now. Plug it back in. Hopefully no leaks. And you just start it. The video there, like really truly, because I want to do the throwout bearing another day. I want to get the vert out the garage so I can do the transmission job in the garage and shit. So with that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, just give it a thumbs up. I like this car. It's keeping me on my toes. It's not too expensive. It's like the right amount. Like it's not nothing crazy, you feel me? So yeah, so hope you guys enjoy these videos. Out here.